I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no, ma'am.
We've got a wild one for you today. A self-proclaimed sovereign citizen gets completely shut down by a no-nonsense judge during a court hearing over. Get this, driving without insurance. This woman seriously tries to argue that the law doesn't apply to her because she's not a citizen. Yep, one of those arguments. She makes her case, or at least tries to, but ends up looking totally ridiculous as the judge calmly but firmly puts her in her place. If you enjoy watching justice served with a side of reality check, be sure to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive in.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this Karen think she is? Seriously, she's trying to get the whole case dismissed by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. Like what? Let's be real. If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the law. That includes having insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal mumbo-jumbo is going to change that. What do you think? Should we finally put an end to this sovereign citizen nonsense? Or do they actually have a point? Let's jump back into the chaos.
At your argument of trial of judge, will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court by and set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are about to get even more heated than the last hearing. This Karen completely loses it in court, while the judge calmly dismantles every one of her bizarre arguments, one by one. Like, how hard is it to just buy car insurance? It's not some secret government plot. It's literally there to protect everyone on the road. But no, she insists the laws don't apply to her, and the judge is not having it. He starts dropping facts, and she starts spiraling. It's honestly painful to watch her keep digging herself deeper into this hole. What do you guys think? Is this just peak entitlement, or is there something more going on here? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's jump into the next hearing and see how it all goes down.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have the
name
opportunity
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm attorney in fact.
Attorney of fact. I swear, every time a sovereign citizen says this, it's like they think it's some kind of magic phrase that'll instantly win their case. Spoiler alert, that's not how the legal system works. They throw it around like it means something, but unless you've got a P number, an actual attorney license, you don't get to act like legal counsel in court. You can't just make up your own rules because you don't feel like following the real ones. This woman seriously believes she can represent herself as some entity separate from her legal name, and the court's just supposed to go along with it. These sovereign citizens are completely out of touch.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice? Janvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Janvier Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know whose side you're on in this court hearing, the sovereign citizen or the side of common sense. Personally, I'm with the judge on this one. She stayed calm, laid down the law, and didn't let any of that nonsense slide. And honestly, that's exactly how it should be. Too often, you see judges just kind of give in or let it drag on, and that only makes things worse. Sometimes, the best approach is to keep it short, stick to the law, and move them right out of the courtroom. But what do you think? Did the judge handle it perfectly? Or should she have brought the hammer down even harder? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.